there, welcome to the channel. If you are tired of wasting your time trying to build a website from scratch or spending an overpriced marketing bundle that promises result but leave you stuck, then this might just change the game for you. Today, I'm diving into Click AI Bank 2.0, a brand new tool that claims to launch 100% done for you affiliate sites using Gemini 2.5 Pro AI tech. But does it actually deliver, or it's just another hyped up tool? Stay with me because I'll reveal who this is perfect for, where it falls short, and the 5 surprise bonuses I'm going to give you if you decided to grab it through my link. Let's jump in with a quick overview. So exactly what's this Click AI Bank 2.0? This is a fully automated affiliate site builder. It designed to create professional content rich affiliate sites in just few clicks for platforms like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and Zevizu. Now, what it makes stand out? It's powered by AI first Gemini 2.0 Pro AI. This means your affiliate sites are created with up to date quality content and automatically run. And second thing, everything is hosted on your domain, so no third party dependency. Plus, it's include 2 landing page templates optimized to grow your email list using lead magnets. If you are starting fresh or just want to shave time, this tool sets just things quickly. No tech skill required or any bullshit. Pros and cons. Let's break down the goods and the not good so good. Okay. Pros. What I really liked. Truly done for you setup. From content to monetization, everything is handled. And second, multiple passive income stream. You can build more than one site and forget it. And the third one, built-in SEO boost. Sites are designed to rank on Google. And the fourth one, smart monetization. It pulls top product and automatically builds review and video embeds. Cons, a couple of things to consider. You'll still need to purchase your own domain and hosting. And if you're already running advanced SEO strategy, it may feel a bit basic, more for beginners or intermediates. Product preview. Here's a quick look of kind of affiliate site you can build. These aren't just plain templates, they are dynamic, responsive, and filled with product reviews, demo videos, and call to actions. Now, unfortunately, there isn't any official demo video yet, but based on what the tools generates, the output is clean, professional, and conversation ready. Final rating and verdict. So here's my honest verdict on Click AI Bank 2.0. For setup, I'm giving 4 out of 5. For pricing, I'm giving 4 out of 5. The value for money, I'm giving 4 out of 5. And the site quality, I'm giving 4 out of 5. If you want fast result without the grind of writing blog post or doing endless research, this is a solid option. But now comes to the best part. If you grab Click AI Bank 2.0 using my link below, I'm offering 5 value packed bonus to help you scale even faster. The first bonus is 100 plus free videos editing template, and the second one is viral video script pack, and the third one is AI video creation blueprint, and the fourth one is AI automation ebook, and the last fifth one is AI cartoon animation video bundle. You can claim these bonuses instantly. Just click the link in the description and it's all comes straight to your inbox. No referrals and no delay. That's it, guys. If this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm always dropping new tips and AI tools with hidden bonus in YouTube shorts. Drop a comment if you still have any questions. I ready to everyone and I will personally help. Thanks for watching and happy earning with Click AI Bank 2.0.